Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can make a picture blurry on Capcut. Let's get to it. Here I have imported my my photo to Capcut, and we're going to make this photo blurry. So the first thing we're gonna do is we can click on effect option right here and click on video effect. And we have to search for the blur effect on this effects option, and don't forget to click on lens option right here and click on blur effect. And we can customize the blur effect. We can click on adjust right here, and we can decrease the blur effect by going left like this, and we can also go right to increase the blur effect. And I'm gonna go with 15. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark, and don't forget to adjust the length. We can drag it to adjust the length to make this effect align with this video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make a picture blurry on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.